Welcome to Vedajanani Saundarya Lahari Shloka number 50. This shloka describes about Devi's third eye, which is jealousy. Kavinam Sandarbhastabaka Makarandaika Rasikam Katakshavyakshebha Bhramarakalabhau Karnayugalam. Kavinam Sandarbhastabaka Makarandaika Rasikam Katakshavyakshepa Bhramarakalabhau Karnayugalam. Amuncantau Drishtva Tava Navarasasvada Taralau Asuya Samsargat Alikanayanam Kinchidarunam. Amuncantau Drishtva Tava Navarasasvada Taralau Asuya Samsargat Alikanayanam Kinchidarunam. Kavinam Sandarbhastabaka Makarandaika Rasikam Katakshavyakshepa Bhramarakalabhau Karnayugalam. Amuncantau Drishtva Tavanavara Sasvada Taralau Asuya Samsargat Alikanayanam Kinchidarunam. Oh Devi, your ears are drenched with nectar by hearing the poems of your devotees, that is poets, Kavinam. To drink that nectar flowing, when you see a side glance, Devi, Katakshavyakshepa Bhramara Kalabhau. Your eyes appears like a group of baby bees and the glance extends to your ears, Karnayugalam. It looks as if your eyes are consuming the nectar from ears. Sandarbhas Makarandaika Rasikam. Your eyes shows 9 types of expressive emotions. Navarasasvada Taralau. On observing this, your third eyes in Ajna becomes jealous and turns to red in color. Kinchidarunam. In this shloka, Acharya praises her eyes and says she showers her grace only through her eyes, and a mere glance is capable to confer grace. That's why she is also called as Karuna Katakshi and Kamakshi. Akshi means eyes. This shloka is chanted to cure any disease related to eyes and to become poet. Let's chant the shloka. Kavinam Sandarbhastabaka Makarandaika Rasikam Katakshavyakshepa Bhramarakalabhau Karnayugalam. Amuncantau Drishtva Tavanavara Taralau Asuya Samsargat Alikanayanam Kinchidarunam. Kavinam Sandarbhastabaka Makarandaika Rasikam Katakshavyakshepa Bhramarakalabhau Karnayugalam. Amuncantau Drishtva Tavanavara Taralau Asuya Samsargat Alikanayanam Kinchidarunam. Let's chant in the second speed. कवीनां सन्दर्भस्तबकमकरन्दैकरसिकम् कटाक्षव्याक्षेपभ्रमरकलभौ कर्णयुगलम् अमुञ्चन्दौ दृष्ट्वा तव नवरसास्वादतरलौ असूया संसर्गाद् अलिकनयनं किञ्चिदरुणम्. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.